Is your Kia Sorento key fob models 2013 to 2020 not working? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. This video shows you how to replace it yourself and potentially fix a non-responsive remote. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, gently pry open the key fob case along the seam. Once open, carefully remove the old battery, noting the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity and snap the case back together. That's it. Test the remote to see if it works. In 80% of cases, this fixes the problem. If the remote still doesn't work after a battery replacement, try reprogramming it by cycling the ignition key. Insert the key, turn it to the on position, and press the fob buttons. If reprogramming doesn't work, there might be corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Avoid cheap, counterfeit batteries, as they can damage the fob. Remember to dispose of the old lithium battery properly, as they are recyclable. If problems persist, it could be a circuit fault needing professional repair. The good news is that most issues are solved with this simple battery replacement.